Good day, fellow dog enthusiasts. Welcome to our informative corner where we're on a mission to unlock the secrets of canine health. I'm your host, and today we're discussing Unlocking Canine Health, 8 nutritional nuggets for dogs. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned dog owner, these nutritional pointers will revolutionize your pet care approach. First, let's understand the power of a balanced diet. We'll delve into essential nutrients from proteins to vitamins and how they contribute to your dog's overall well-being. Moving on, who said treats can't be healthy? We'll discover nutritious and delicious treat options that will keep those tails wagging without compromising health. Next, we'll discuss water, the elixir of life. Learn the importance of proper hydration and how it can significantly impact your dog's overall health. Lastly, we'll introduce you to canine superfoods. Nutrient-packed ingredients like blueberries and sweet potatoes can elevate your dog's health to superhero status. And there you have it, our guide to unlocking canine health, 8 nutritional nuggets for dogs. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more transformative content, and share your own nutritional nuggets in the comments below. Until next time, may your pups be healthy, happy, and thriving.